Hello everyone, this is another video to my channel. This is going to be a somewhat long video as I want to explain everything about iOS or about Apple devices. I have been using Apple devices since last 3 months. I think it's almost 3 months, and I have tested most of the features. This is what we see. This is iOS 11 point. This is the latest software. This is iOS 11.4.1. So if you haven't updated to the latest update, please go here, go to general, go to settings and go to general and go to software update. If you already have, then it's good. The iOS 12 beta version has already come out, but I'm not going to install the beta version because I'm not a fan of beta version. So this is the home screen. These are installed if this like Viva Video, YouTube Studio, YouTube, Twitter. These are all installed. Chrome, Creator, Safari is default. Apple browser, iOS browser, this is installed. This is Gmail is also installed. Google Plus, Google Photos, this is also installed. So first, this is a little bit faster, and of course I'm using it on my iPhone 6s Plus 16GB version, and it is somewhat or totally different from Android, which I was using it for more than 3-4 years, and the sense is good, and of course the camera quality is very good on iOS. This is the camera quality. As I'm shooting on my Android Xiaomi Redmi Note 3, and it will be different seeing it from here. This is the video. I can show it at 4K also. This is slow-mo, this is time-lapse, this is photo in square mode, and this is panoramic. Photo is pretty good. And let's go to settings again. So this is your Apple ID. And this is airplane mode. You can put it, when you put it airplane mode, there will be no signal, mobile signal. Of course the Wi-Fi will be available. This is Wi-Fi, this is Bluetooth. You can set up Wi-Fi hotspot also. This is personal hotspot, and this is notification. You can go and turn off notification basis also. Like this Twitter, I can turn off Twitter basis and it will be gone like this. See, Twitter, the base is gone, and here there is one notification. I can turn off this also. Let's go to setting again. Let's go to WhatsApp and turn this off. You see it is gone, but I want it, so it will be there again. Of course for Twitter also I want it. You can do this. Let's continue again, and this is control centers. You can do this off or you can turn this on. So this is this. I'm not able to do this now, but if I turn this on, I am able to control this control center. And of course you can customize it, you can add or delete it, you can prioritize this also. This what I want to add, and this is do not disturb. So you can turn this on or turn this off. You can set when to turn this on when iPhone is low, or let's go through it. This is I'm turning off the icon will appear here, the little moons. The camera is little shaky, and this is display. You can turn this off also, but when I turn this on, this is a new feature. Press to wake up. You will wake up. Lock, and now this is press to wake up. I'm not touching any button. It will work definitely. You can change the text size also according to your size. You can bold the text also. This will restart your phone, but I don't want bolded text. So, and you can zoom the display also. This or this one, this one or this one. But I like standard. And you can do night shift also. You can schedule it or manually enable till now also, but I will turn this off. You can set the time also, but turn this off. I turn this off because I can manually set it. Photo brightness is also there, but for that we need to go to the accessibility. This is wallpaper. You can choose live wallpaper from here. You see, by tapping here, but this is, I don't like it. I'm not a great fan of it. And sound, you can change with button also. Now it will change with button. Now it will decrease with volume button. You can turn off vibration also by going here and going here. And after this is Siri and search. You can press home for Siri. By pressing here, you will turn on Siri. Or you can turn this off also, but let's turn it on. Enable Siri. You can allow Siri when lock or unlock also. You can change the language also. Suggestions in search, suggestion in lookup. You can turn this on for Siri also, and Touch ID and passcode. You can add any fingers you want, like this. Do it slowly. Don't press it, just tap. You see, it will identify which finger. I have added 3 fingers of my right hand. You can turn this on, this Touch ID for iTunes and App Store also, or for unlocking also. This is better. Turn this on for iPhone unlock also. This is regarding battery, and I always use in low power mode. It will reduces power consumption until you can fully charge your iPhone. When this is on, mail, face, Hey Siri, background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects are reduced or turned off. You can reduce brightness also in order to save and to check and you can check battery usage also by going here last 7 days or by going here 6 hours on screen, 40-minute background. You can check how many hours you have to spend on each app you have. And you can check the status of your battery health also by going here. Mine is 83% and it can still perform peak performance. Best way to save battery is by turning this on. And here is privacy. You can turn this off also for location. It will save battery, but you can do it this also while using the app only also. But you have this good functions. But while using the app only. While using the app you can turn this location service and it will change this color. You can read here. And this is our health, because I don't use it. It's HomeKit, Media and Apple Music. Devraj video is able to access. Motion fitness, analytics. You can turn this off in order to save battery, but I'm not much of a fan of this. You can turn this off also. About advertising also, I have limit app tracking on my iPhone. And this is regarding iTunes and App Store, contact, calendar, and this is phone. This is my number. Don't call. And this one important thing, iCloud photo sharing. You can turn this on, but I turn this off because I upload on Google Photos. I don't upload on iCloud photo library because I have only 5 GB and Google gives unlimited at reduced resolution, of course, and camera. This I have already made a video regarding this. You can turn this off or on by going here. You can remove this grid also. It will be gone. You can reduce the size of your video here by going here, here, or here. But at 4K it will consume around 350 MB for 1 minute videos because it is very high resolution. It's a higher resolution video, but I want 4K video. Of course, now I'm recording at HD resolution, not full HD. And slow-mo, you can turn this. You can have higher FPS, frame per second. And this one, when you are shooting photo at HDR, you can have 2 photos to keep a normal photo also, or the HDR. It will have 2 photos if you turn this on. This is default. By default this is turned on, so I will keep it on. And grid also I will keep it on. This is not default, but I will keep the grid on. Let's cut this. Let's close podcast here. And these are the apps that I have installed. For this also you can do many things. Notification you can turn off. That is all. Settings. And one nice thing is it's this one. You can turn off your Wi-Fi by going directly here by pressing here. This is touch 3D touch, or you can go to battery by going here. And mostly I use it for turning off my Wi-Fi. because when I turn off from here it is still on. Disconnecting, it is only disconnecting Wi-Fi, nearby Wi-Fi till tomorrow, but if I want to completely turn off, I can do it here by going directly from here. It is faster than pressing here and going there. So this is time, this is your carrier, Airtel. This is percentage, it is yellow in color because I turn this on, battery saver mode, lower power mode, means battery is saving. And you can record your iPhone by going here. You can turn this on or off by doing there. By pressing here, it will record the screen. When the screen is recorded, the color will change here, this red light. And you can lower the brightness also. This is automatic, but I can lower it, and I will use it at full. The screen is recording. I can turn this off by going here. See, it will come out. And regarding photos, go here and go to recently deleted also to delete all the photos. This one, let's delete this, but it is not completely deleted. It will be there, not here. So you press this select and delete. It will be stay there for 30 days, 29 days. But once you delete it here, it is deleted permanently. So in order to save the MB or data storage on your phone, you need to go to recently deleted and delete everything also from there. This is App Store to download apps you want. Wi-Fi is not connected. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. These are the trending posts. It is in India. Trending app. This to download. These are all the receipt notification. You can clear one by one or clear everything received today like this. I am on IGTV. You can follow me there also. I upload videos there. I am on YouTube, of course, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I make videos like this, about this tech app reviews. I do also. I make lots of app about Facebook also. I'm on Facebook also, same name. And you can edit this function also by going here, and you can edit many apps here. You can toggle this also, this like this. You can just press here this green button plus sign and it will go there, or to remove, go here, remove. That's it. It's very easy. And to go to camera, you just swipe like this and it will go to camera. And to read the recent notification, go here. This is not a recent notification. This is notice fault, whatever. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.